Good afternoon, teacher. I will present my dialogue in English with my partner about life on campus. Thank you. Dialogue 1. John asks Bran. John, hi Bran, how is your life on campus? Bran, it is great. My university is big and modern. John, what subjects are you taking this semester? Bran, I am taking many subjects like English, math, and marketing. John, how are your professors? Bran, my professors explain very well because they are patient and organized. John, what do you do in your free time? Bran, I usually go to the library and sometimes my friends in the cafeteria. John, do you study in groups? Bran, yes, most of my classmates study in groups because we learn quickly. John, thank you, Bran. Great talk. Bran, thank you, John. Dialogue 2. Bran asks John. Bran, hi, John. Tell me about your life on the virtual campus. John, it's good. I study law online. Bran, what subjects are you taking this semester? John, I am taking few subjects like general, criminal, law and general, theory of legal acts. They are interesting and very important. Bran, how are your professor? John, my professor explained carefully because they want us to learn well. Bran, what do you do in your free time? John, I usually study in the virtual library. I read articles slowly but carefully. Bran, do you participate in class? John, yes, I do presentation. Not many students participate, but I do because I like it. Bran, thank you, John. Nice to know. John, you're welcome, Bran.